reason I came here was, well, okay, I can tell you honestly, I never trusted dentists because they always they would fix the one problem and that would cascade to other problems. And so I would always think, well, the dentist doesn't really know what he's doing because he's only fixing one problem, and I then get another problem. So then I have to go back for the other problem. It's just a continual process like that. So I hadn't been to a dentist for a few years, but my bottom teeth were hitting my top teeth when I closed, flexing my two front teeth out every time I closed my mouth. I never really used my front teeth to eat meat or anything because it hurt too much. And in addition to that, my teeth were pretty crooked, so I never smiled for years. I honestly probably never showed my teeth for 20 years. I had the physical symptom of my teeth just not coming together properly and having some pain. But the other symptom was a cosmetic one. I mean, I was self-conscious about my teeth for my entire professional career. So I would normally talk with my lips like this because I didn't want people to see my teeth.
Wow.
So now I don't do that, and it's weird. I mean, it's natural, but it feels good. It feels different, and it makes. I wish I'd had this done decades ago. The funny thing is that I can't help but smile. I don't know. It's not. My wife keeps saying, "Why are you always smiling?" And it's not. I'm not trying to smile. I'm just smiling. I think I'm happy. I don't know if my bite was affecting my posture prior to coming here, but I can tell you what I know now is that after having the procedure on my teeth, my entire jawline has changed. So, I mean, my jaw has come out more, and it's obvious. You can see it in photos. If you look at a photo from 6 months ago and a photo today, I look totally different. So I may have not recognized that I was being affected by the misalignment of my teeth, but it's obvious from looking at photos that I was. I never thought I had tension in my mouth or my jaw or my face, but after tensing, I realized, yes, I have tension in my face and my jaw, because it was obvious because my bite would change. As soon as I was tensed for like 10 minutes to 20 minutes, my whole bite would change because my muscles would be relaxed. My bite would go back to more of a natural position. I never realized, and it's obvious, that your entire bite is related to your musculature, which is related to other muscular in your neck, and so on. There's a cascading effect, which I never realized, I never thought about, because when you go to other dentists, they're just treating what problem they see. There's a cavity needs to be filled, a tooth needs to have a crown, a tooth needs to be extracted. That's pretty much all I experienced until coming here. So it feels so lucky to have found this dentistry, Adler Dentistry. I didn't seek it out. I actually thought when I came here, I was going to have some new crowns, some teeth filed down. I didn't know what was going to happen, but I certainly didn't think I was going to have a totally new bite and teeth that look like I deserve them. But that's what I got.